Once upon a giggle, in a jungle full of silly animals, lived Ellie the elephant. Ellie was the kindest creature in the forest, but she had one big problem. She sneezed too much. Aku! Every time Ellie sneezed, birds flew out of trees, monkeys fell off vines, and poor hippos got unexpected baths. One sunny morning, the jungle decided to hold a picnic. Everyone brought their favorite snacks. Monkeys had bananas, parrots brought popcorn, and the turtles slowly rolled in with jelly sandwiches. Ellie was excited too. She brought a huge watermelon. But just as she was about to cut it, the watermelon flew into the sky like a rocket. Boing! It landed right on top of Crocodile Carl, who was fast asleep. Splat! Carl woke up looking like a fruit salad. "Ellie," shouted the animals, trying not to laugh, "can't you sneeze quietly?" Ellie felt sad. She didn't mean to cause trouble. She tiptoed away, trunk drooping. Just then, a leopard cub climbed too high in a tree and got stuck. "Oh no!" cried the animals. Ellie heard the shouts, turned around, took a deep breath. Her mighty sneeze shook the tree, and the cub floated down into a bush safe and sound. Everyone cheered. "Ellie, you're our hero," said Monkey Max. Ellie blushed. "Sorry about the watermelon, though." Carl grinned, picking seeds out of his teeth. "Tastes better than my lunch." And from that day on, Ellie's sneezes were known as Super Sneezes, useful, funny, and full of surprise.